Last night, I was using it, and I went to close it, and this has happened. Something jammed up, and wham, everything's all coming apart. So something wrong with the hinge. So I said, I know, I gotta take it, get it fixed.
Cannot even open it anymore.
No, don't force it, right?
Don't worry, I got you.
Okay.
Your laptop is ready, sir. Now you can close it. It's fixed.
The hinge don't separate.
Not anymore.
Oh, good. Looking good.
I cleaned it for you as well.
Looking good.
Looking good?
Looking good.
You want to try it? He always tries on his own.
Yep. It's on. It was on.
Everything looks good?
Yeah, so far.
So far, so good?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Trouble.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. Never gonna look back.